I'll go to the chart. So let's take a look at the two poster children for 2x ETF disasters. Okay, let's go take a look. So we'll go to the positions in a minute. Hope you guys can see this. Well, I'm sure you guys can. Let's go to charts. All right, so this is going to be a lesson for all. Here's the big charts. All right. ETHA is pumping. That's the 2x. That's the one for one Ethereum ETF. I don't know where the rally came from, but it came from somewhere, and thank God, because I have a shit ton of BMNU. But let's look at Tesla first, okay? Tesla. All right, this is Tesla stock. 1 year, 1 day. Okay, it's simple, not complicated. Here it is. Okay, so let's pick a date. Let's pick a day. Let's pick a point on this chart. So I'm going to pick this day when Tesla's high was 488. Okay, and that day it closed at 440. Okay, that's right there. So what day was that? That day was December 18th, 2024. Okay, all right. So the 2x ETF of Tesla is TSLL. So we're going to go December 18th and look at the closing price of TSLL. That's the 2x ETF of Tesla. And here it is. This is the day, 12/18. Closing price on TSLL was 33.55. So remember those numbers, 440 on Tesla. Okay. And let's call it 34. Let's go round numbers. This is Tesla, common stock, 12/18, 440. That's the closing price. And TSLL, same date, right there. My cursor is on it. 12/18, closing price, 33.55. Let's call it 34. Okay, are we good? All right. So let's go fast forward to today. This is less than a year now. Let's say you bought TSLL at 34, December 18th. Okay, TSLL. That's TSLL, and this is Tesla. All right, so let's fast forward to today. What's today's Tesla price? Today, just now. Okay, so we are November 26th, 2025, and Tesla's price at this second is 423. Get it? What was it in December 18th, 2024? 440. Stock is 423. So it's down about 17 points, which is what? Down about 4%. Correct? Do you agree? Disagree? Agree. Okay. 4%. Now let's look at TSLL. Well, TSLL was 34. Here's TSLL. TSLL closing price at this second is 1760. 34 to 1760. 50% less. So in 1 year, if you bought Tesla, you would be down 4%. If you bought TSLL, you would be down 50%. You guys get it now? You guys get the dangers of buying and holding these 2x ETFs? Okay. 4%, 50%. Even if you were selling calls, you're not going to come out of it if you bought it at 35. You're going to keep selling calls month after month, week after week, whatever you're doing, and you're still going to be a massive loss. So let's go to the poster child of it. MSTR. So let's pick the same day. Let's pick a day. Same thing, actually. Let's pick the same dates. 12/18. This is 12/16, 12/17, 12/18. Here's 12/18. Okay. 12/18 closing price was $350 on MSTR. And today's closing price at the moment, it hasn't closed, but last price on MSTR is 180. So 12/18, we were at 350. 175 would be 50%. So it's down a little bit less than 50%, maybe 48%. This is MSTR, the common shares. Okay. MSTU is the 2x ETF. We're going to look at the same dates. Here's 12/18. 12/18. Closing price was 11.84. Let's say it was 12. Okay. So MSTR was down 48%. And at the moment, MSTU price is from 12 to $1.23. $1.23. So MSTR is down 48%. MSTU is down over 85%. Again, the dangers of buying and holding 2x ETFs. Now, hopefully, all of you are able to understand the risks. All of you are able to understand. And did MSTU have rallies when MSTR rallies? Absolutely it did. But it doesn't matter. On the way down is what matters, right? And again, on Tesla, was Tesla a wonderful trading stock? Yes, it was. So let's take a short-term period how powerful these 2x ETFs could be on the upside. So Tesla was going sideways for months. It broke out. It went from, so let's pick this day right here, the breakout day. It was 355. Within a week, it reached 455, 100 points higher, meaning within 2 weeks, stock was up 30%. Okay. Now let's pick up the same days again. Okay. Now it shows the power of these things on the upside as well. So 355, the date was 9/11. And by 10/1, literally 10/1, 2 weeks later, stock was 100 points higher. Okay. So that's 30%. So let's look at TSLL. Same thing, 9/11 to 10/1. Here's 9/11. Right there, 9/11 closing price, 14.83. Let's say 15, and 10/1 closing price, 22.5. Right. So 7.5 points, meaning 50%. So even on the way up, they're underperforming, right? So Tesla went up 30%. This should have gone up 60%. It didn't. It only went up 52%. So on the way up, you're underperforming. On the way down, you're underperforming by owning these 2x ETFs. But for short periods of time, they will give you what they promised they're going to give you. But on the way down, you're going to get whacked. And even on the way up, they're not performing as well as they should. So with that said, hopefully, you guys now understand the dangers of owning these 2x ETFs.